The other one was at night too. As long as it's not date, that dawn, I'm fine with it.
Which doesn't make sense why it's called dawn and it's a blood moon.
I just don't like. I don't know the red. The red. I didn't think it would hurt my eyes the way that it does.
I played it twice.
How's everyone going today? Tonight?
We're good. How are you?
We're good. How are you?
Good, thanks. Cool.
Oh,
you've been having some good games?
Absolutely.
Yeah, they've been decent.
I've been having really good games, like just non-toxic lobbies, like everyone's just been chill. It's been great.
I couldn't hear her from the echo.
She says she's been having good games, no toxic lobbies. They've been great.
Okay, that's awesome. We're about to be toxic. No, I wasn't gonna say that. She's been nice. No, she's nice.
It's not toxic. You can't escape. I'm sorry. Like you can't escape. You can't get out.
I was gonna say, well, sorry for this match, but I don't want to be toxic.
I know.
She was nice.
You're about to get fucking slaughtered, but whatever. I mean, hopefully you get out of Praxis. You seem like a cool ass chick.
Yeah, she's cool. She asked how I was and how we was doing. So
yeah, I can hear it.
She's cool.
Remains of an unidentified male have been discovered near
honestly, I might let her escape if she's the last one. The Leland.
That's what Chris said about the last one. We got into this match when we were playing with Erica, and this signing player was just, I guess the Leland asked him to switch, and he just started being really toxic towards him. I muted it because I already knew where it was going, but Chris and Erica heard like
I might. I'm still thinking about it, Brittany.
And it was just a lot. It was a lot.
Why is it I already hear Virginia struggling off the rope?
Gobble, 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 gobble. Is there a Virginia?
A good question. I might be insane.
There
is a Virginia.
There's a Virginia. You are crazy because there is one.
I was like, if there wasn't one, I'm insane, and I'm hearing voices. Oh, they haven't made noise yet.
No, they haven't. Somebody's gonna die. Damn, that's like John can't get a door. They're shiftier than normal, folks.
Okay, my locks are set up.
I'm putting a trap on this crawl space right here. They're gonna have to barge the doors.
I just pinged one of them for you.
There's a Danny.
I think I'm pinging Danny right now, or it's Leland. He's opening something. What is that? Rear staircase.
No, Leland has 12 north cells and he's already had to heal. Virginia, she's right there. Third face Reyes. No, sorry, not that face layer.
Coming back downstairs. Oh, fuck, I just locked myself up here.
I'm coming upstairs.
You don't have to come upstairs. Why are you coming upstairs?
Just missed Danny. Danny's going towards Leatherface layer.
Your locks are good.
One of them.
Your lock's good?
Yeah, my locks are good. Guarantee somebody's in this bloodbath in the corner. Nope. Oh, Grandpa's in danger.
Why? What are we doing? Where's the lock? Just fucking stabbed my grandpa.
Oh my
How
God.
did he door slam me? You're right
the
there.
hell? He just latched
How the
himself.
fuck? I locked that. He latched the door.
He shut the door on himself and it kind of messed him up.
It's fucked up. We kept latching doors.
Yeah.
No more locked doors. Gracias. Bye, Sonny.
I just pinged Virginia. What is she doing? Getting a lockpick.
Will you break the doors upstairs that I locked, please?
Doors upstairs be locked?
Yep, I locked a lot of doors upstairs. Will you break the door?
Okay.
Can't focus. Need to clear my head.
You're being quiet.
Very useful.
I can handle you.
You're gonna Spider-Man in the kitchen. He lost.
Lost the secret.
She was gonna lose no matter what because I was right there. I was in there already.
Yeah, I was gonna say you came in beating that ass. Oh, sorry, I forgot.
No, you're fine to say that. He's coming up rear staircase. He's coming up rear staircase.
Are we letting Leland out or not?
Is he the last one already?
We got a Danny still.
He's the last one. Oh, Danny's fighting me.
Danny's fighting. Where are you?
Oh, he won.
That's you, asshole.
That's locked. Danny's dead.
Nice.
Are we letting
Mr. Duchess.
Let me know right now if we're letting Leland out.
I don't see Leland.
I'll open this front door and turn the gen off right now. Let me know.
Is he the last one? Yes, let him out.
Yeah. Alright, we're letting him out.
Honestly, let's all just go outside and just wait at the gym.
I'm gonna turn it off for him.
Is she on Xbox? I think so.
Is she?
I think so. See if you can message her and tell her to just go.
I'm fixing to find you all, that's for sure.
I can't. Oh wait. Yes, I can.
Tell her to go out from the front or let her go.
Why I gotta do everything in this family? I should have made more of them traps. I ain't liking which way this is headed.
Hold on.
They gotta be around here someplace.
Can we just stand guard this one spot and let her walk through? It's gonna look so cool.
I sent the message. I hope she checks her messages.
She's on Xbox, so she'll see a little bit of it.
Yeah. I'm not gonna kill you, I promise.
He can jump the window.
Did she really jump the window?
Yes, she did. Don't chase her. Don't chase her.
Dude, what are you doing?
No, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on.
Just get back here. You're only making things
We'll walk with you.
We're racing. We're racing.
Always happens.
I can't catch up. I got small knees and a margarita.
Oops. She said, bless you. That was fun. That was fun.
Let's see if she says anything. GG's, Leland, you're cool.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I was so distracted, and yeah, thank you. You guys are lovely. Thank you. Enjoy your game.
She was cool. She was cool. The rest of them were like, what the fuck?
Yeah, we let Lily out.